Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our second video of Tally Prime on GoTo feature. Hey, passing entries and analyzing reports. Wait, GoTo will definitely help you. It's available on main screen. So in Tally, this additional feature is given as GoTo in Tally Prime, which is available on main screen. All reports on one click, single click. So all the reports are available on single click. Just click Alt G, that is GoTo, and all reports are available on single click. This GoTo feature is useful for both accountant and businessman. Let's see how it is useful for accountant. User can switch to reports quickly. So let's say accountant is passing entries and suddenly his superior or his boss or immediate superior asks for any report. With the help of go to button, he can open report, he can export, mail and print the report. In this way, without disturbing his work, he can export email and print the report and get back to his work. In this way, it is useful to accountant. Also, it is useful for business owner because he can print, email and export the reports. Also, he can analyze the report because all the reports are properly classified. So, you can see in this GoTo feature that all the reports you can print them, mail them and export them. Also, these reports are classified under different heads as final accounts report, receivable report. In final account report, you can see balance sheet, profit and loss, trial balance. Then in receivable or outstanding report, you can see bills receivable, bills payable. So proper classification is given in this GoTo feature. Also, it is useful for owner because he can analyze different reports simultaneously. Say for example, already he is analyzing balance sheet and now he wants to open profit and loss. Now he can see all the reports which are open previously with the help of show open report option. So here balance sheet and profit and loss is showing. Also he can expand this report further with the help of expand all button. In this way, this GoTo feature is very much useful to both accountant and business owners. In next video, we will learn about F11 and F features of Tally.